about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Hakka Training on ICRT. Now, we're taking the train to Fengyuan in order to get to Taichung's Dongshi. But today, I think we're also going to be biking a lot and visit this beautiful district. 今天呢，带着大家坐火车到台中市的东市区，不过要先坐到丰原，而今天特别一点好了，骑脚踏车一直骑到东市吧。Leo 今天这样子好健康哦。
对你看满身大汗，
对，
真是蛮好的。
我们从丰原那样骑到东市来啊，少说也有10公里了吧？
不止12公里，
对嘛，差不多。不过一路来啊，很多这个绿廊的感觉，以及有很多建筑物还蛮特别的哦。
对啊，我们刚刚骑的那一条就是全国第一条由废弃铁路改建的自行车道，叫做东风绿色廊道。对啊，
然后好像有一些文物馆啦，还有一些建筑啊，有什么特色吗？
中间经过的那一个，你应该还有很有印象啦，那就是石冈土牛客家文化馆。它就是以前921地震之后呢，被损毁掉的一些伙房啦，然后它会把它原地重建起来，所以它是一个活的博物馆哦。
不过我们这样骑到这里，还有什么地方可以参观呢？
现在的终点就是我们的东市客家文化园区，它是东市的旧火车站把它改建的，它里面陈列很多旧火车站里面的一个文物
啊，太好了，可以休息一下，喘口气，了解一下这边的文化。Okay, let's go.
Those looking for a more leisurely sightseeing experience could try a bike ride along Dongshi's Dongfeng Green Corridor in Taichung. Originally an old railway, the tree-lined path passes many sites like Plum Train Station or the Lover's Bridge. And you can't miss the Shigang Tuniu Hakka Cultural Hall, a living museum rebuilt after the 921 earthquake that houses all sorts of cultural artifacts and gives a window into the life of Hakka long ago people. The corridor ends at the Dongshi Hakka Cultural Park's museum that was once an old train station and still has a working steam engine. A great place to take the kids.
好，那我们来教大家一些客语哦。
好的，
包括我们现在参观这个文化园区，就原本是一个火车站。怎么说呢？火车站
Pho Cha
Teo. Okay, that's a train station. 我们刚刚骑车，你说921地震有影响过吗？
对，
顺便教一下地震怎么说呢？
梯筒
that's an earthquake. And 博物馆
博物馆
And there are a lot of these museums worth visiting here. And there you go. That does it for today's Hakka training.
什么太嘎？
按字say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.